Alrighty, y'all. So, I don't need to I don't need to take the fan off the ceiling. I just needed to take it apart in order to get to this, so I could find out what the noise is. But also the bearings make gentle click, which means they're much quieter than the ticking. You'll hear them. You can hear them really good. So, what I need to do is try and figure out what that possible noise is inside the bearings, well, since it makes gentle clicks whenever it spins. But, so I'm gonna wiggle the fan, and then you can, it somehow won't do that ticking. It's just like sounding like that's not it, but I could like tell that that's not it because it sounded like it was coming from inside the motor housing. And I once got a comment saying that, like, about these clicking bearings. Channel of Random Ceiling Fans said to take the blades off the motor housing off to see if it's rubbing against a wire. But I'm looking up, I'm looking on top, and it looks like it's not. It looks like it's not rubbing against any wires, unless this part right here spins. Let's see. And I'm gonna go, and this gives me an opportunity to check the date. Pause if you need to. I can just look at it whenever. Hopefully it didn't blur while looking at it. I'll just open some blinds so you can see better. And you can also, I forgot to mention that you can also hear soft grinding noise whenever it moves. Whenever it spins, you can hear them. It seems that the bearings are just mildly blown, and mild means a slight degree. But yeah. So I'm gonna check. I'm gonna have the camera right over here and see if there's something rubbing against this, and see if this is the cause of the clicking. So there's a guest here about to cut there's barbers here about to cut Specs' hair. I'm actually gonna go ahead and put the blades back on and with the motor housing off, and then see, and while it's running it will tick and it'll show me if, like, it'll show me what's it on the metal. Sorry for the loud talking outside. My dad likes to talk really loud, but not, like, almost as loud as yelling. He's talking to a guest right now. Okay. Alrighty, so I'm gonna do it in the next video, which is look into it with the blades on by turning the fan on and finding out what that ticking noise is. Alright, bye.